all, good evening. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So today we are going to do a very special recipe and a very nutritious recipe, which is nothing but Kadai Paneer. So for doing the Kadai Paneer, these are the following ingredients that is required. I have taken 400 grams of paneer cubes, which is cut into little bigger size. I have taken Kashmiri chili powder, little spring onions, tomatoes, green capsicum or the green pepper, the kasturi methi, butter, onions, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger. These are required for doing the powder, masala powder. I will show you how to do it. Then in another plate we have taken all the spices items. It is 1 spoon of peppercorns, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 1 spoon of dhania seeds, the bay leaves, 4 to 5 red chilies, 3 cloves and 1 cinnamon. So these are the items that is required. So come, let us see how to do the step-by-step process. For doing the Kadai Paneer, the first step is I have taken a pan. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. So the pan is getting heated. Now we are going to add 1 chopped onions, so let the onion get cooked little till it gets into transparent. Friends, for doing the second step, I have taken a kadai. So it's getting heated. So in this kadai we are going to dry roast all these below spices one by one, and we are going to make it a dry powder. For that I am adding 1 tablespoon of dhania seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. You can see here it's 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, peppercorns, green chili, bay leaves, cloves and cinnamon. We are going to add one by one and dry roast it. So we have added the cumin seeds, the dhania seeds and the peppercorns. Now I am adding 2 bay leaves and 3 red chilies. So let it get little fried. So meanwhile in another burner we have kept the onion. So onion is getting slightly transparent. Now at this stage we are going to add the green pepper wedges which is cut. So let it get cooked for some more time. See friends, so our dry spices are almost dry roasted. I am offing the stove. So let it get cool for a while. Then we need to make it a dry powder. So the onions and our green pepper is slightly become transparent. I am offing the stove and let us see what is the next process. So I have taken another pan. I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. So as the butter is getting melted, we are going to add the paneer cubes into it. And we need to fry the paneer cubes into golden brown. The paneer is getting fried into golden brown. Parallelly we are going to make another masala. So for that masala we are going to add the following items. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. I have added 5 to 7 garlic cloves. So as it's getting fried, we are going to add 1 chopped ginger pieces. Along with this, we are going to add 2 cut onion wedges. So let it get tossed well. The paneer is yummy looking into golden brown. It's getting parallelly cooked. Onions are getting cooked well. We need to add the tomatoes and make it to cool, and then we need to paste it to a fine paste, and let us see what is next. So friends, the onion is getting cooked. Meanwhile I am adding chopped 1 tomato, so the paneer is almost ready. So we are going to off the stove. So let this also get cooked well. The tomato and onions is cooked well. You can please off the stove. We need to paste it to a fine paste, and then let us see what is next. Friends, I have taken the same kadai. I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. So in this, the onion and tomato paste we need to add it. Still the raw smell goes. Let it get cooked. So I am adding it. So the masala is getting cooked. Cook the masala till the raw smell goes off. I am adding a little water into the masala jar so that it gets blended well. So let it cook for some more time till the raw smell is there. See friends, you can see the oil is getting separated. At this stage I am going to add the dry powder which we had dried it. I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of the dry powder. So let the smell of it also go away. Let it get cooked. As you can see, the oil is getting separated finely. At this stage you can add the required amount of chili powder. I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Along with this, the required amount of salt. We have not added salt, only while cooking the onions we have added. So now we need to add the required amount of salt. So after adding all this, just toss it well. And now at this stage you can add a little water so that the masala powder gets blended well. I am adding a very little amount of water. Yes, so just after 1 to 2 minutes, let us blend it with our onion and bell pepper which was fried in the first process. You can find the oil is separated. Now I am going to add the bell pepper and the onion which was fried. So mix it well. And I am adding little more water and closing the lid. Let it get cooked for just 5 more minutes. Then we will add the paneer cubes. Yes, so we'll just close the lid. So it's getting cooked well. Now at this stage we are going to add the paneer cubes which was fried into golden brown. So add the paneer cubes, gently mix it well and keep it for 5 minutes. It has to be blended with our masalas and it can be served hot. So our Kadai Paneer is ready to be served. At this stage I am going to add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, just for the enhancing the taste and aroma. So now we can garnish it with spring onions and it can be served hot. That's all. The Kadai Paneer is yummy and very spicy and it's come out very well. Please try this recipe. Hi friends, so you can see that our delicious and spicy Kadai Paneer has come out very well. You can please try this recipe. So please watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another unique and yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, happy weekend. Bye-bye.